practicing advocate at Telangana High Court. I practice in civil law as well as criminal law as well as writ petitions. Today's event was on Constitution Day. It has been a privilege to give a speech, to have a talk with these students at Dawn High School at Malakpet. Today we have an interactive session where many speeches were given and many questions were asked by the students. So I would ask my colleague Meena Begum to give an introduction.
Myself is Ramana Vedhu. I'm practicing advocate in High Court, both in civil and criminal. And I'm preparing for the TSC's Group 1. And also it is a privilege and I'm thankful to the Dawn High School for giving us opportunity for speaking for advocates, legal awareness, what color we have to take and after completing the intermediate and after completing the graduation. So it's been an honor. We have to, the girls, the boyfriend level they have, I'm shocked. I'm surprised to see this, the way they speak, they are never shy in. I think they are going to become the future judges and advocates. The way they are interacting today was, I was mesmerized to see such type of interaction. So thank you very much.
So,
good afternoon everyone. My name is Rabia Banu. So as you can see today, we have a guest here. So Abdul Mukhlis sir and Amna Begum miss. So they are practicing advocates. So today we are here to discuss some few questions. We are going to discuss our doubts according to the advocate and lawyers. So start. So the first question to sir is. If somebody talk about the Gandhiji, negative points about the Gandhiji, so the advocates, for example, if somebody is talking about the Gandhiji, negative things that are not present in the books, so what you will do? Do you send them in the jail or punish them?
The first thing, I have asked a very relevant question. Who was Gandhiji?
Father of the nation.
Father of the nation. Before becoming father of the nation, who was he?
He was advocate of the nation.
What was the full name of Gandhiji? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We have to remember that everyone, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, later Mahatma Gandhi, was also a human. Every human has positive aspects. The very first thing which I would be asking that person in a very polite way to read about that person. Gandhiji was very true to himself. I would advise him, the person who is asking this question, to read his autobiography. Can somebody tell what was his autobiography?
He studied experiment.
My experiments with truth. He did his law from UK. He was a barrister. He did his law from United Kingdom, UK. He did his law. When we do law in UK, we call him as barrister. And he came back to India as he could not get sufficient resources. So he got a client to fight his case in South Africa. He went to South Africa and started his practice. He could not get enough chance in India. So he wrote his autobiography, My Experiments with Truth, where he mostly stressed on the shortcomings in his character. When we see Mahatma Gandhi currently, he wore only just a dhoti. He gave up. When we see his pictures 30 years ago or 20 years ago, he was a gentleman. He used to wear coat and everything. But after returning from South Africa, he wanted to understand the people of India. And when he saw the people of India, he toured villages and he saw many people couldn't afford even a dhoti. So he gave up. He practiced. He had all his character. He used to practice all things which are normal person.
But sir, he was not loyal to Indian people, right? He was working in the British, under the British. So,
We have to remember that we were not an independent country at that point of time. We were a colony. We were a colony. We are fortunate that we took birth in an independent India. We at that point of time, every person has to give his loyalty to the crown. He did his bachelor's. Even the Prime Minister, first Prime Minister of India, even the first Home Minister of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, there was only one profession. At that point of time, there was no engineering. There was only one. You have to go to UK, you have to get barrister degree and practice for livelihood. No person was more loyal than Mahatma Gandhi to Indians. He gave the principles. He gave two strategies. He said, first, he made people to understand what is the meaning of sacrifice. Meaning of sacrifice is not just giving speeches. Meaning of sacrifice means he gave a principle of ahimsa. He gave a principle of non-violence, ahimsa. He made us to understand why we should not fear. If people ask how Britishers were able to rule us for almost 200 to 300 years, they had a very simple strategy. Whoever does not obey their rule, they used to send them to prison, to jail, and it instilled a fear. He made sure that people do not fear the regime of the Britishers. Once the fear was gone, why he is called as father of the nation? We all have our fathers. We all have fathers. If something happens, would you fear? What would you say? Here is my father, he will take care. If something happens in school, if something happens in society, what do you take? You will be, I have my father, he will take care if something happens. Why? Because we do not fear. We do not fear. Because our father has encouraged us not to fear. If something happens, we will take care. So Gandhiji, one of the most important contribution of Gandhiji is he made people of India not to fear the British rule. He said, no matter, Britishers would not attack us.
but
If,
sir, Gandhi
if you do not do any wrong, don't react, respond. He made understood how to respond to the rule. He used to react. He made us to respond. He made us to understand the meaning of sacrifice. Ability in ourselves, we can also be independent.
My name is Tanvar Ban and I am from class 9.
So sir, I want to ask that I have heard that some of the lawyers say it's against the law. I mean, they say lie just for winning the case. Is that true?
Very interesting question. Your question says the lawyer, one of the rumor when we teach people, when we take seminars, not only the students, everyone says, why should not become lawyers? If we discuss with this, I want to become an advocate, I want to become a lawyer, the very first thing will be discouraged. If you want to become a lawyer, you have to tell us. Okay. My answer is very simple. You have a stick. We have a stick. For example, for one thing, for just a moment, consider this as a stick. Okay. We do mathematics. LHS is equal to RHS. Shall we not solve RHS or shall we not solve LHS because it is on the left side?
No, it is not that.
We have to prove that LHS is equal to
RHS.
There is a term called use and there is a term called abuse. Making using something in a wrong. We have a knife. Can any person, we have to use it as a tool. We have a knife. It is a tool.
Yes.
We use it to cut vegetables. We are using it. We are using it as a tool. But with the same knife, a crime can also be committed. Does it mean that we should not use knives? It is an immense need of the art. If the people who are in the side of the wrong, there should be people who should side with righteousness. It's on you. It's on the individual who follows the conscience. If a person comes to you and say, I'm a person on whose the case has been filed and I'm innocent. And there is a person and he is poor. There is another client which comes to you and say, I have did this crime. Will you save me? What will you do? And he has lot of money. He would pay you millions. But the person who is innocent can't pay you even a penny. What you would be doing?
We are not fighting for the men or the humans. We are fighting for the justice. So we should support the innocent one.
So when you are supporting the innocent one, there is no need to tell lies. When you are on the right side, we used to hear, we practice it. एक झूठ बोले तो 100 झूठ बोलना पड़ता है. तो एक अगर इसका बेस्ट इलाज क्या है? सच ही बोलो. You side with the person who has been framed and you put the right story in front of the court. Fight for the justice. It's on you. It's on the person who is practicing it. Yes, no doubt. There is a handful of people who tell lies and side with the wrong. But there are 90% of the people who, small example आपको देता हूँ. क्लास में कितने हैं स्टूडेंट्स आपके? 36 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. How many are too mischievous?
Maybe 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
क्या इसका मतलब है all are mischievous?
No.
So in every profession, it's on the person who is practicing. You are a doctor. Even a doctor can take wrong benefit out of his profession. Every profession has its rights, a person will not go in wrong direction if he remember his fundamental duties. If he remember that wrong is wrong, right is right. Makes a person to go in the wrong direction. If you can control the greed, I have no doubt you would be in the right path. And one more thing, law is a very noble profession. You can take money or you can work for law. Now it's on you, on the person who is practicing. Working for the money, working for the justice, or working for something else.
First you introduce yourself, then you ask.
Good morning everyone, my name is Akshay, I'm from class 9. Sir, you are super in science now. So why you have become lawyer? Means you can become a scientist, British scientist.
For the question which I have been asked, I did my engineering. I was from a science background. I worked as an engineer, but during the work which I was working, it did not give me satisfaction. So when you wake up in the morning in Fajr and when you go to the work, when you will be going to your bed, there should be a sense of satisfaction. What I have done in the whole day, the engineering profession which I was which I am from, did not give me satisfaction. At the end of the day, I couldn't sleep at peace. So I used to think, what is wrong with my work? When I realized that when I'm working in an organization, I was, I did not interact with the people. My strength was the thing which gave me satisfaction was helping people without any, without what you can say. It. I wanted to help people. I want to voice the voiceless, help the people who are wrongly framed. Many people they don't do right thing because of guidance. Students. Then I started teaching as a passion. My passion was to guide people and as to mentor students. Then when I understood this, I did not take even a moment to say enough is enough. I'm an engineer, well and good. I am earning, but I want to go into my passion. I want to pursue my passion. And what was the passion? Public service. One of the method was to teach, but teaching was very limited. So someone advised me, you have a passion for public service. Why don't you do law? Why don't you do law? You will be interacting with everyone, almost everyone. You will come across judge to highest state or to lowest state. Just give a try. Give a try. And I wrote my entrance exam. I'm in front of after 5 years. Okay? I hope
भी क्वेश्चन कीजिएगा.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Hanan Fatima, and I'm from class 9. My question is to ma'am. So, in olden days, whenever we used to hear the point like advocates or judge, usually we see men as advocates or judge. But nowadays, women are coming forward and they are also taking part in all this thing. So now, in this generation, is men and women treated equally, or still there are some things that men are getting but women are still backward?
See, in olden days, what happened why women are not joined as a advocate means infrastructure is there. Now you have toilets, as you know, as a girls problem. It's not a girls problem. We have menstrual rape. So there was no infrastructure at that time. So that's why in court to now these days, in our high court or Nampati, there was no infrastructure. So at that time there was no like motivation to take that role. It's a men's आदमी का काम होते हैं उसका. लड़की वो आज भी नहीं जाने देती आपको एडवोकेट द रियलिटी हम कर रहे हैं. सर ऐसा बोले कि इंस्पिरेशन है जॉइन के लिए, बट इफ यू गो टू द कोर्ट स्टिल दे डोंट टेक इट एज ए प्रोफेशन. गर्ल्स के लिए अभी भी उतनी मतलब रेस्पेक्ट की बात नहीं है. गोल्डन डेज में तो बहुत बहुत मुश्किल था. अब आप जेंडर इक्वालिटी की बात करें, सी इट इज चेंजिंग. आप ऐसा सर से क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं, इज गिविंग यू जेंडर इक्वालिटी है. जेंडर इक्वालिटी नहीं है, वो चेंजेस होते एक साथ हो बोले तो नहीं होते. उस वक्त था जब औरतों को बाहर ही निकलने देते थे. आप पढ़ाई तो छोड़ ही दो, यू कांट इवन go for the education. Now you are speaking. At that time you don't have to give it to speak like that. So एक तो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का प्रॉब्लम था, एक तो अपनी सोसाइटी ऐसी थी कि मतलब औरतों को सब बाहर निकलने नहीं देते थे. बट और भी एक प्रॉब्लम है कि आफ्टर यू आप मतलब सर्टन एज के जब हो जाते हैं यू बिकम ए मदर. सो बच्चों को देखने की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, तो उस वजह से थोड़ा वुमेन पीछे हो. मगर जैसे कि आप देखिए MBBS में आप देखिए कितने ही हॉस्पिटल्स में लड़कियां हैं, बहुत सारी लड़कियां हैं. उस वक्त में वो प्रोफेशन को कोई ओन नहीं करते थे. मगर अब जैसे एडवोकेट भी आप मतलब जैसे अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करके हम लोग कोर्ट में भी लाएंगे, क्यों बोले तो वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग ऑल द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. मेन आर इंकरेजिंग वुमेन टू कम टू दिस फील्ड. तो हाँ है, आप जैसा बोले थोड़ा सोसाइटी मैन के लिए थोड़ा टिल्टेड है, बट आगे आगे चेंज. एंड योर आप लोगों ने एक बात का एविडेंस है कि आप जेंडर इक्वालिटी आने वाली है. और जनरली इक्वालिटी कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं रहता। आदमी में नहीं स्ट्रेंथ रहेगी, औरत में भी स्ट्रेंथ रहेगी। औरत भी एक मतलब सूरज चांद के ऐसे, देखिए अर्थ में एग्जिस्ट होने के वास्ते सूरज की जरूरत है, चांद की जरूरत रहेगा। आप कंपेरिजन करते भी कि मैंने को ऐसा मेरा काम है, दोनों के लिए जरूरी है कि हाँ वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल रही एंड मैन आर कमिंग फॉरवर्ड। और आप लोग भी मतलब लड़कियों को सपोर्ट करके आगे बढ़िए तो तुम्हें हो सकता है।
So good afternoon everyone. I am Malasnika and I am from class 9. So I have a question for both of you. What is exactly crime and what is white collar crime?
As
Malasnika.
Maria has asked a question, what is the difference between
Not different is
Difference.
what
What's the meaning of
What is the
crime
meaning?
and white collar crime?
meaning of crime and
White collar
white collar
crime.
It is a very interesting question. White collar crime means something. I would just like to say that crime is nowhere defined in our laws. The word crime is nowhere
Define.
defined in the laws. Instead of that, we use the word offense. Use the word
Offense.
offense, which has been defined in our Indian Penal Code 1860. Now coming to the question, what is the difference between meaning and difference? I would like to add more to this question, meaning and
Difference.
you cannot understand the meaning unless you understand the difference. So crime is something which is illegal. Crime is something which is illegal as per the law of the land. If something if we go against the Constitution of India, it is an offense. It is an offense. Now, white collar crimes are the crimes which are done by the professionals. Done by the professionals. As previous question, lawyers say lies. What is it? You are manipulating by the virtue of being a professional. You are manipulating things and earning something which is by undue influence. White collar crime is something which is not caught. There is a curtain of a profession. Like I am a lawyer, there is a doctor. What if you go to a doctor, what he would be doing? He would be prescribing something.
Yes.
He would be knowing what medicine should be given. But he will be saying, please go and take the test first.
Yes.
So why he is doing that? In all law books, he has every right to diagnose. But when he abuses his professional status, it is a white collar. If, for example, an accountant is there, he works in a bank. If what banking is a channel where public puts their money. You might have heard scams.
Yes.
The bank has gone. The manager who used to manage has swindled the funds. When he uses his position for wrong purposes, it is a white collar crime. And it is very, very difficult to catch them, to catch them. So because as a professional, they have the people who has influence on the society. They make up their crimes. They put it in such a way that it will not look as crime. So it is very difficult when an official position is abused for all wrong purposes. It is known as white collar crime. A crime. What is a crime? A crime is an offense which is against the law of the land. I hope I am clear about it. Lingering into my mind from the very first onwards, I expected this question from you. What is the difference between a lawyer and advocate?
She was asking that.
So, I expected this question even in the seminar, and I thought you would be asking what is the difference between a lawyer and an advocate? When a person pursues law, after 3 years he will get a certificate. Once if you take a certificate and just frame it and put it on the wall or put it in almara, you are just a lawyer. You are just a lawyer. You get a law completion certificate. That's all. And when you use your degree, write an exam, All India Bar exam, and register yourself as an advocate, then you call it as a practicing lawyer is an advocate. A non-practicing, a person who does not practice law but has a degree is a lawyer. Right? If you want to practice, as you might be saying, I am a practicing lawyer, practicing advocate at High Court, which means I have given the exam and I have registered myself as an advocate. Then I would call myself as an advocate. But if I am not practicing, I would just call myself as a lawyer. Right? I hope this is
Sir,
important.
then sir, what is the difference between judge and
Judge and
advocate?
judge and advocate.
Yes, sir.
An advocate is a law officer. An advocate guides the judge. There are two parties. Party A, party B. There is a victim, there is an oppressor. जो जुल्म करता इस पे जुल्म हुआ. अपना जो जस्टिस सिस्टम है, it is a fair system. Party 1 from victim side, party 2 from oppressor side, defendants. And ये argument करते दो लोग. कौन सुनते? Judge. Then we participate. There are two parties, and one of fundamental difference is a place where advocates sit is called as bar. Is called as bar. And a place where judges sit is called as bench. You might have seen a judge sitting at a very high level. It is a bench. And advocates who are arguing, who is pleading, they are sitting in a chair. It is a bar. Advocates Bar Association. So, I hope this is.
So sir, what will happen if a judge takes wrong decision?
They are levels. There are levels. There is a concept. If something is wrong done to someone, he should go to the lowest court first. There are the judge is at higher level. First we will find magistrates, civil judges at a very low level, at a very fundamental level. And then if there are two parties, one will be victorious, one will win, one will lose. And you can challenge that in a higher courts. First, you will go to the magistrate. Magistrate is also human. Everyone can criticism. The judgment can be the criticism of the judgment can be done. A magistrate can also make error. He is also human.
कॉन्वर्सेशन है बोलते आप वो जज का जजमेंट आपके फेवर में नहीं है you cannot do
You can appeal.
wrong to other awards नहीं
There is you can criticize the judgment by saying that what mistakes have been, what judgmental mistakes by listening. If I'm arguing, the judge might miss something. Instead of writing everything, the judge might miss something. So you can challenge the judgment. This judgment is on facts. So based on the fact, the judgment has not come right, did not come in my favor. You can challenge the judgment. You can go to the civil court. You can go to the district court. If you do not get justice, you go to the high court. There you will find judges. Even if you don't get justice, from the high court level you can go to Supreme Court. At some point, the matter should stop. Once the Supreme Court says something, the matter will close.
Yes.
That will be final. and will binding on both the parties. Okay.
We are so glad to have you, sir and ma'am. You really inspired us, and all what you said will remember this and implement also, inshallah. So I would like to thank you for coming here and sharing such information with us. You have really inspired us. Thank you.
And I hope you all after 5 to 6 years, I hope you all after 5 to 6 years will be joining the bar
Inshallah.
and later
Bench.
bench. Hope
बट सी रियलिटी में अलग रहती है आप जो फिल्म्स में बदलाते हैं ना उसमें
Right.
रियलिटी विल बी वेरी डिफरेंट हम लोग बोलेगा बोल रहे बट आप जब बॉर्न फिल्म में आए ना तो आफ्टर फेस चैलेंजेस सो वैसा प्लीज डोंट जो फिल्म्स में बदलाता है ना एक लॉयर एक ऐसा ऐसा कुछ नहीं रहता आपका बहुत अलग रहता वो इसलिए सब प्रोफेशन को जो ग्लैमराइज करें ना आजकल लॉ या फिर पुलिस ऐसा नहीं रहता ये करता वो चैलेंजेस आते हैं वो मतलब बोलने पे सब बोल देते हैं इतना अच्छा प्रोफेशन मतलब मॉर्निंग फील्ड में जाके अच्छे दम तोड़ देते हैं तो आपको वो हिम्मत रहना चाहिए और वुमेन का तो एक साइकिल रहता है ना यू विल गेट मैरिड एंड वो उसको मद्देनजर रखते हुए आपको प्रोफेशन चूज करना है आई थिंक ये जो लॉ फील्ड है आप थोड़े साल ब्रेक भी ले सकते हैं थोड़े साल प्रैक्टिस भी नहीं कर सकते और कोई भी प्रोफेशन ऊपर नीचे नहीं होता सब प्रोफेशन जरूरी रहता है टीचर्स का भी रहना ज़रूरी है डॉक्टर्स का भी रहना ज़रूरी है एडवोकेट्स का जजेस का ये क्यों अवेयरनेस करे बोलते तो इसमें मतलब अवेयरनेस नहीं है सिर्फ लोग एक खाली डॉक्टर ऊपर मीडिया से इंजीनियर्स भी एक वही एक प्रोफेशन है बोल रहे हैं अगर दूसरे भी बिजनेस है उसमें भी लड़कियाँ बहुत सक्सेसफुल हो रहे हैं तरह आप